Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. Typically, I do trading in morning, but now I will try to do it a little later because people ask me all the time, which time are you trading? So now I will prove you that does not matter that much what time you're trading. So, but before we do that, if you want to do what I'm doing, join with the broker I'm using, just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, you will find a promo code that give you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, help me out. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, push this bell notification thing, and also if you have any question, put them below the video. Also, if you just make a comment, this video will get a little more views. This is something that help out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you are able to see the video from start to finish, that helped me a lot out also. And I really hope you do, because this video I will teach you once again how to trade properly with binary option. So let's get started. So now I will just see if I can find up here we can trade. Before we do anything, we just start in the end here. We turn on this candlestick. We are running it on a 1 minute chart. Closing we set to 30 seconds. Okay, but we don't need to do that yet. First we find something to trade. So what we're looking for is something like this, where you see we have a specific line. I can show you here now. Here, for example, make it darker. Typically what I do, I make it the color of the way I'm trading. So in this case, this will be a red trade, okay? But now let's see, we'll go a little through here now. We might have something here in the bottom here. Looks like it. Let's take a line there. We turn this one to green. So if you come down to this line here, I will then take a 30-second $100 trade. So let's see. There are no guarantees that I will find a trade in this video. I need to get a specific line like this, like you can see up here also. Here also we had something, but I don't like it so much because you see we have a few spikes. So this one I would not have traded. It looks nice, but it's not, because if I make a line here now, you see you have a few spikes that go out of it. I don't trade this one, okay? But here, when you zoom in, you don't have any spike. So I typically make the line, and let's see, I don't have any spikes below this green line. That means this one is valid for me. Now let's see, let's hope we can come down here so you can get a trade. If not, at least you can see where I would plan to take a trade. Typically when I trade in my 1 hour sessions, yes, you can join my sessions, you can copy what I'm doing. You find links below the video for my WhatsApp and Telegram. If you have a choice to choose between these two, or you want to join both, you can join both, of course. But if you only want to join one, join the WhatsApp. I give a little more information there than I do in Telegram. Because you need to remember, I'm here live trading, and I do need to do things very fast. And then it's very problematic for me to give all information in both platforms. I try to give as much I can, but I do not give everything. So, but in WhatsApp I give more. Also, I am planning to do everything live. I'm in Sao Paulo, so sorry if you hear some background noise. It's much traffic around here. But what I do, I try to do as much I can for WhatsApp at least, and then I give the extra for Telegram. So Telegram, you do not get everything, okay? So like I said, if you can choose the WhatsApp community, that you find links before both of them. But Telegram also, I give all the forex trade, everything. I give the entrance, but sometimes I tell I'm in the trade, and sometimes I don't do that in Telegram because I don't have time to do it. We can say like that. So now let's see if we can come down to this line. While you're waiting, you can see if there's someone else. Let's go back. No. Let's see more. No. No. We might have something here. Let's see. Let's see if we can put a line there. I think it's good enough. So then we have two. Let's see if this one turned red now. I also want to follow this one. No, it was not this one, it was this one. Okay, so we are this, let's see now. So we have two Japanese type of pairs we are trading. Possible trades at least. See, this one did come down, so if I'd been here, we could have taken a trade here. You see, it came perfect down to the line, and we would have won the trade. So if you had stayed on this one, we would have won the trade. Let's see if that can happen again. That's it. That's the problem, is that you can't be looking all at the same time. I wished we could have many small screens, that would be better, but this broker don't have that, but this broker is the only one that have so many trading opportunities. Typically brokers don't have that. Okay, now we are very close here. Let's follow here then. Let's see if we can get a trade. That would be nice. I did like Australian dollar against Japanese yen a little better, just because the times he come down, he shoot more up. But let's see. We are now ready. Let's zoom in. Let's see. And come on, come down to our line. I'll go in. And there. Bad entry, but let's see if that would be a winner. I forgot to put 30 seconds, but he did win, by the way. And there we take one more. Good entry. I like the entry. Now we just need to wait 30 seconds. Let's see how this turns out. I have a very good entry, so I feel very good about it, because as you see, every place here he closed high above the line. So now it's just 8 seconds, and there you have it. 2 trades, 2 winners. So here you see some of the trades I had today. In my session today I had 6 trades and 4 winners. So I did turn some profit in my session today also. So now you can see in front of your eyes, we made 2 trades, $95. So we made basically $190 profit. So that is how easy it is to trade binary option. Many will tell you it's luck. Many will show you stupid strategies like MACD on 2 minutes and all this garbage. You will lose money. Trust me. This is the only way you can make money. Constantly, the easy way, the best way. You basically are printing money. Okay? So there you have it. I hope you really enjoy. And also now up there somewhere, you'll find a link that YouTube thinks that you like. So see that video also. So with that, have an amazing day and check out the links.